Up and about another day, giving thanks to life as usual. Yes, man. From the other day, the internet has been giving a lot of problems now. Yeah, man. So, I just do what I have to do, yeah? Yeah, man. And you know, I'm ever up and about, so I've been on the road, off the road. Yeah, man. I'm there shop and I'm there farm. Yeah, man. So I just have to show you all around. Yeah, man. This is yard. Really hard life. So just stick around. One love, one heart. Every time. Yeah, man. Run come a river, come all a wash off, and trust me, the water in a full swing. Yes, man. Wow. No place like country, man. It's a blessing. Real blessing, you know. Woo! Jamaica yard life for up and about another day. Trust me. River water cool. I'm there, Mark Bay. Yeah, man. You know, I have to stop by the beach and, well, stop by the seaside and take a look on the sea for a few moments. Yeah, man. Get the events together. It's a blessed day. Run come on Mark Bay, come get a few stuff for the farm store. Yeah, man. You know me as a farmer already. You have to get what you have to get. And you have to do what you have to do. Yeah, man, so come with me. This is yard, real yard life. Real yard life with their friends and family and everybody. Sugar Danny, yeah man, blessings every time, man. Yeah man, daddy there. Yeah man. Alright. Give thanks to Kane. Yes man. Give thanks, man. See, General have beats up there. Proper. Yeah, man. I look one for myself. Is it? Yo. Yeah, man. Them black here are prime, you know. Right now, they might sweet like a sugar. Proper. Jesus, peace. Yo. Food too much, man. My. This is yard, you know. Really hard life. It's a blessed day. Yo. You see them? Yo. Yes, can you go this and jerk it? And then take it. What type of tree is this again? Rosemary. Yeah, man. Rosemary tree, you know? Can't smoke, drink.
You know that one,
huh?
I say you know that one.
Yeah? Flavor grass, my farm that one after man. Jano. Yeah? Yeah man, this is hard, you know. Really hard life. Get up, get about, and do the right thing. And remember, walk with the Most High every time. They are hard, you know. Yeah man. Pass through, come link up sugar, you know. Most of the animal them ship out already, but that's how you go. Time to come here, we see. Wow, go on, you know. Yeah man. It's a blessed day. You see, we can't cut grass, yes, sir. Alright. I bust off that one for me, dead daddy. Please and thanks. I wanna look like my style. Giant and long.
Anyone else here show me? When you hit that
Young keen are nice enough. Just the other day I plant a potion over hills there. Why the canopy thick? No what's no run sugar. To the way the place flourish, something there. They call it crab hole in there. Yeah, man, we see what crab hole right there, sir. See how cut that. Yeah, man. Just strip him down there, man. There. Crab hole. From one day more are coming. From one crab day more are come. And in the right eye whole mouth it look like, you know. In the right eye whole mouth, you know, man. Oh, it's not reach now yet, man. Yeah, man. Give thanks, man. Yeah.
You see how yams there?
Yeah. Man. Oh, I never see that one here now. My God. Yo. You don't see this at all. Come here, look at all the banana here. Judge, no. Give thanks, man.
Right. This more. This now you can get a nice kilo or tie. And come up.
Like this a couple plant well, you know.
Yeah, I started this, you know.
Yeah, man.
You see how you meat?
Yeah.
You got tell me about. Nice.
Proper. Which one ready, sugar? Hey, it's easy now. Yo! Me I say, yo, me just asked you, say, oh, you bet the bush they run for it. But me I said, but I know bush. Channel, they may only last a few weeks, you know, so. But you say, who that you pick off them copies and dry down and the tree have flourish. Man. Blessings, man. Fruits, too much. Yo. Can't you look at the camera? Yeah, right. So many even see when it drop. Yeah, right. So yeah, so you don't weed that. You weed that?
Where?
See it there cover up now. See if them on the white something. Oh, what the blow? How was that?
And a white into that.
When it goes so a second, I say, no man, hold on. Don't weed that. Can't you look at the camera? Yeah, right. So many even see when it drop. Yeah, right. So yeah, see you really hard life, you know.